Hello, thank you for checking out my video, and today we're still dealing with some rigid transformations, and what we're looking at today is how to do reflections. So we did rotations and we did translations. Reflections is a flip where you flip it over a line. So it's kind of like pancakes in a skillet. You just want to kind of flip it over that line so that it reflects from the other side. Okay? So let's take a look at a couple of examples. Alright, so here they give you the shape and they want you to reflect the figure over the line y is equal to 5. So they give you the line. So what you want to do is count to the line, and then once you get there, count that same amount on the other side of the line. So right now I'm going to pick this dot here, and I'm going to count 1, 2, and then count 1, 2 again. Go to this other dot, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, so I count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here, go 1, 2, 1, 2. And now it's been flipped over that shape right there, over this line. This y is equal to 5. Alright, and then you just submit your answer. And then they show you how it's been flipped over the y equals 5. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Alright, so that was a horizontal. This is vertical, but still the same thing. So we'll go from here, and I'm going to start this top one here. I'm going 2 dots this way, 2 blocks. So then I do 2 blocks here. 1 block here, 1 block here. 1 block, 2 blocks here, then 2 blocks here. Then 1 block and 1 block. And then 4 blocks and 4 blocks. And you see the shape has been flipped over. Just submit your answer, and there you go. And it shows it being flipped over the the vertical line. Alright, so this is a reflect figure over a line level 1. Let's take a look at another reflect figure here. This one here, level 2. Alright, so here we have some diagonal lines, but everything is really still the same. We're just going to kind of, and it's a little bit difficult to count because you're going diagonal, but you still count that same distance. So here I got 1 block this way, so I go 1 block this way. Boom. Here it's 1, 2, and a half, so I do a half, 1, and 2. And here it's 1, 2, 3, count 1, 2, and 3. And the last one here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half, count that half and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, and then that should show a reflection. And they show you how it's been flipped like pancakes in a skillet, flipped over the y is equal to x minus 5. Alright, let's take a look at one more example. Alright, so here's a diagonal going the other way. We're just going to do the same thing. We'll count diagonal. 1 block, 2 blocks. So I go 1 and then 2. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. To do a half, 1, 2, 3. And I forgot my count. Let me go back. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. Count the half. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I believe that's it right there. Alright. So now let's do the next one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you count well, then you're in good shape there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and that's a reflection over a line. Okay, and now you can see it being flipped over. And that's how we do reflections over a line. So again, I want to thank you for checking out my video for doing reflect a figure over a line. Again, thank you and have a nice day.